Hi everybody, it's Adam.
And Petri.
So glad to see the kids today. Hey, today is about being thankful. Being thankful is great. It is a way you appreciate or give thanks to somebody who has done, bought, or said something really nice, or maybe something that they're actually gonna do in the future.
I don't want to.
Oh, Petrie, it's okay. Giving thanks, it just takes practice.
I don't think I can.
Well, guess what? Oh, don't you dare look back. Keep your eyes on me. I saw you holding back. Come on, give thanks with me. Thankful it is our destiny. I say, ooh, ooh.
I can try to give thanks with me.
You can. There you go. You want to try it one more time?
I can be thankful for food and for a place to live and also that I get to go to school.
You did it. You found some things to be thankful for. You know what?
He took my wing. I don't know how it happened. We started to give thanks and he said,
Oh, don't you dare look back. You keep your eyes on me. I saw you holding back. Come on, give thanks with me. Thankful it is our destiny. We say, ooh, ooh.
come on, give thanks with me.
Hey kids, try to come up with one thing you can be thankful for today and share it with somebody. You're awesome. Thanks for being here. Bye.